welcome to this screencast. We're looking at the mark sheet for your iMedia coursework, and we are now finishing our evaluation. You've already done the first part of your evaluation by checking how your final image meets every single client's requirements. And by doing that with your annotated screenshot, you would have proven, you would have been referencing back to the brief. And then I also asked you to do a quick section, whether for each client's requirement or as a separate one at the end, where you do strengths and weaknesses of your final image. So you do your strength and your weaknesses. Now, this you know how to do. You've done that in other subjects. That's not really a problem. It's just spending the time doing it. What I would like to do is talk to you about the second part of your evaluation. And I found that that is the most difficult for a majority of students. If you don't do this part of your evaluation, you're going to essentially halve your mark, right? You've got two criteria. Here's the first one. So that's up to 3 marks, let's say. And then you got the second one there for up to another 3 marks. So if you don't do what I'm about to tell you, you are foregoing half your evaluation. Now, this bit here is improvements, further development, what could be added, what could be, if you had more time, what could you do to make your image even better in order to fulfill the needs of your clients. So how can you do this? Well, you've already got your weaknesses here, haven't you? From the first part. So you're going to talk to those weaknesses here. By the way, weaknesses, there's got to be more than one, right? More than one, more than 2 would be even better. But it's not how many weaknesses you can find. Once you've got 3 weaknesses, once you've got some weaknesses, you need to then develop your explanation and then how can it be better? So make the final product better. Make it better for the client. How can you do that? Now, how can you do that? If you had more time, I would carry on doing this. Oh, I have found that this part of the image isn't as good as maybe the resolution of one of your assets, I don't know. But if you've identified it when you explain your weaknesses, then you can also explain how to make it better. Which techniques would you use in order to make it better? Now that you know quite a lot of techniques. And by doing this, you should be hitting enough of the requirements of this section, maybe not in mark band 3, but if you're aiming for mark band 3, you should definitely score mark band 2. For the digital graphic coursework, you've got up to 6 marks for your evaluation. The other coursework, there's even more marks available for the evaluation section, which makes it even more important to really at least hit mark band 2 and aim for mark band 3. Well, thank you for listening to this screencast. I look forward to seeing your improved work.